What if I told you that in just 1 year, you could save $10,000? No, this isn't some far-off fantasy. And the best part? You won't have to sacrifice your daily happiness and you won't burn out in the process. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how to turn your hobby, yes, the thing you already love doing, into a profitable side hustle. No more working a job you hate just to make ends meet. But there's a catch. You've got to shift your mindset. Person looking stressed at their 9-to-5 job, sitting at a desk with bills piling up, looking at their hobby in the background as if it's a distant dream. Let's be real for a second. You're probably tired of the daily grind. You've got dreams, big ones, vacations, a new car, maybe even a house one day. But those dreams often feel miles away. Meanwhile, you're stuck in a cycle of spending without saving, and it feels like the only way out is a miracle. Is that how you feel? Yeah, I've been there. The question is, how do you actually change it? Let me tell you something that might blow your mind. Your hobby could be the key. Person casually working on their hobby, suddenly feeling inspired and motivated, typing on a laptop, uploading to social media. Step 1, shift your mindset. Right now, you might think of your hobby as something to unwind with, an escape from the chaos of life. But what if I told you your hobby could actually be a gold mine? Imagine this. That art you love making, the fitness tips you're always sharing, the recipes you're constantly experimenting with. What if you could monetize those passions? Here's where things get exciting. You don't need a massive following to start. You don't need to be a viral sensation to see real results. All you need is the courage to get visible. Create an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, or even an Etsy shop. Think about it. What are you waiting for? The perfect moment? There is no perfect moment. Oh, and by the way, you don't need to turn your hobby into a full-time job right away. You can start small. A side hustle is all about testing the waters, a digital roadmap appearing, breaking down the steps as you talk. Okay, now let's get down to business. You've got your mind in the game, you've decided to take action. The next step is to get your hobby visible. That means show up online consistently. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up. Start posting your passion on social media, or better yet, create something people can buy. Here's a little secret. The key to long-term success in this game is building trust with your audience. Share your process, your story, your struggles, and let people connect with you. When people feel connected, they're more likely to invest in what you're offering. It's that simple. But how do you turn that visibility into actual profit? I'm glad you asked. A person making a first sale online, receiving payment notifications, then reinvesting back into their hobby or business. Here's where the magic happens, turning your passion into profit. The truth is, in today's world, hobbies don't have to stay hobbies. You can grow them into businesses. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or even monetizing through ad revenue, there are countless ways to generate income. But don't get ahead of yourself. Before you start expecting $10,000 to just fall in your lap, you need to focus on reinvestment. The money you make should fuel your next steps. Better equipment, more advertising, creating even more content or products. Reinvesting is your secret weapon. And here's the thing. You don't have to be famous to start seeing real results. Focus on providing value. The money will follow. It's about consistency, hustle, and making sure your passion is front and center. Person traveling, buying a dream car, or living a dream lifestyle, all while continuing to work on their hobby, business. Now imagine this. 1 year from now, you're looking back at your journey. You've saved $10,000, but more importantly, you've built something that gives you freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms, a vacation whenever you want, maybe even that dream car you've been eyeing, all while continuing to do what you love every single day. You're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but where do I even start? Well, now we're at the turning point. You've got the roadmap. All that's left is to take that first step. Person standing confidently looking out at the horizon, ready to take on the world. Listen, you don't have to wait for permission. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. The time is now. And remember, you're not alone in this. You can absolutely turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle. The question is, are you ready to take that first step today? If you're excited to start, go ahead and drop a comment below telling me what hobby you're turning into a side hustle. And if you want more tips on how to get started, hit that subscribe button. Let's make this journey together. Your future self will thank you. Stay focused, stay inspired, and let's turn that passion into profit. You've got this.